Zelda, you'll go in. Zelda. You're gonna go in, ma'am. Will a landslide bring you down? Oh, the landslide bring you down. That'd be good. I'll find something to do with yourselves. Sorry, that's probably too loud. I'm sorry, I'm coming. That was up all full blast. How's everyone doing tonight? Yeah, it finally stopped raining. About 2 o'clock, the sun came out. Hey, everybody. Yeah, and it's been nice ever since. Somebody been messing with my gnomes again. Goodness, guys. What's going on here? Some turtles fell in. And a unicorn fell in. A bridge fell over. It was quite a storm. Thank you. Hang on, I'll show y'all. Show y'all from the corner over here. Those are all the fairy lights. These are all in my TikTok shop. And they are amazing. This is one set all the way from here. It's okay. It's going to grow like crazy from that rain. That rain is wonderful. And they go all the way down there, and that's one set of fairy lights. Thank you for sharing. All right, back here we got a new set of fairy lights I just got yesterday. And they're also in my TikTok shop. But that's one set. They start here, and they go all the way across here. All the way to there. They look so nice. Let's see if we can get to the pond and if the Wi-Fi doesn't mess up on us. Everything is so muddy. He's got things blocked off with rakes and stuff to keep the dogs out of the mud. It's awful. But everywhere around us is still flooding because they had to release the dams. And so it's, hey, girl, get out of there. Get out of there. She's wrapped up in lights. Okay, get out of there. Go. Come on, Sky. And anyway, so everywhere around north anyway, because of the dam they're draining. Hey, stop it. They're releasing. Go. Quit digging. If you're going to go in tonight, girl. She's being bad this evening. Oof. I think that having to stay in most of the day because of the rain. She needs some running time. I got to spray some off on me. I can definitely feel the mosquitoes biting. That rain brought mosquitoes. Well, my lights are already going on me because there wasn't enough sun today. Man. Marshall, get out of there. Sky and Zelda, quit. They're playing. Girls, that is enough. That's enough. Be good. Zelda, don't start it. I need her collar on her. She being bad tonight. Which lights do you have, warm or cold? These are warm. All these are warm white. My husband likes the warm. So, and I like the warm too. Sorry, I was chasing my dog. Sorry. Yeah. These are all warm. Thank you. Zelda's being bad. She's dragging me around the yard. Oh, they've been trapped in the house. No, Lindsay's in the house. These are all warm as well. These are Edison lights. These are plug-ins here. She's in there talking to her brother. I need to try and clean that lens. It looks a little foggy to me. Or it could be my glasses. Thank you for the follow. Zelda, get down. I know she's wearing me out. Zelda, get away from the gate. Ma'am. All my lights are popping off. It was cloudy most of the day. I don't know if y'all were on my live this morning, but it was a thunderstorm this morning, and I had it in the doorway, had the phone in the doorway, so everybody got to watch. She don't ever listen. It's okay. And Dad already fell asleep, so I'm on my own. He went to sleep early tonight. He was tired. Hi, Wendy. I don't blame him. It's just been a yucky day. I worked, but he came home early. They sent him home early because where he works is near where they're releasing the dam. So a lot of his people, they were flooding, and there's going to be a lot of people flooding tonight. There's evacuation in place and all kinds of stuff. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see. My lights are working tonight. These are. Thank you, Wendy. Oh, I got something new. Let me show y'all what I got. Where did I put her? Huh, I got two of them. Where did I put her? Hang on, let me think. Okay, one's over here. I hope y'all can see her. This one. Look at her. Can you see her? She's on like a little spring, and she's got wings. She's made out of metal. Did you? Oh, yeah, they're flooding today because they're releasing the dam. Spaghetti and meatballs, but look how cute that is. And it's got a bell on it. So it's a fairy. So I got two of these at work today. They just got them in, and I took both of them. They're so cute. Yeah, Kingwood Drive was flooded today. Kingwood had it bad during Harvey, too. And the other one I hung here. They are just adorable. See, they kind of bounce. I got them at Ace Hardware, but I don't know. It's on each Ace. I would have to find out the company who made them and let you know that. Because, we're an independent company, so they just order from whoever we want. So not every Ace is going to have it. Does that make sense? Hey, Lee. But they're absolutely adorable, aren't they? They were only $10.99 before my discount. Maisie. Maisie. It's a bell. It's a bell. But I can find out the company. You can't have her. I never should have showed her to you. I'm sorry I showed her. Leave my fairy alone. Zelda. Zelda. She's being a real turd ball today. Stop. It's because they were I'm not tied up, but they were in the house most of the day because of the weather. So they got a lot of energy. And she's worse than a toddler, so there's that. Dang it, my lights. I wish they would have got more sun. Yeah, they were all lit up a minute ago, but I mean, they only had like an hour of sun today. That was it. And all that rain dried up. There we go. We've lived here for 25 years, and my husband started in 2009. So he's been going strong ever since. Hey, Betty. Yeah, but everything we have is easy to grow and can just be broken off, or it blows itself across the yard and grows. No, it wasn't flooded at all. In fact, by 2 o'clock, the sun came out and it was beautiful. Yeah. Zelda, why? Zelda, come on, Mama, be good. Thank you, Junior. Thank you. Yeah, that's my goal. That's my goal. It's good vibes, good vibes. Oh, Zelda's horrible today. She's awful today. Oh, it's like having 4 toddlers, really. Look, I'm going to wipe this lens off real quick. Hang on. I think it fogged up when I came outside. There we go. That looks better. Yeah, she's a real jackass. She's lucky we love her. She's real lucky. Look how cute she looks bouncing there. Isn't that adorable? I just love them. They're so whimsical. It's on like a little spring like you'd have on a door, a screen door. Thank you, Sunflower. Am I going too fast still? Please tell me and I'll slow down. Yeah, everything's nice and muddy and flooded, but I mean, the water went down, but it's like soup, like mud soup. I know, it's so cute. Just stand like Marshall. Yeah. You know, you forget you're carrying a phone around and you forget how fast you're moving, and you guys are probably getting seasick. I apologize. Oh, yeah, the jasmine. You can smell it all over the yard. The birds are still out. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thank you. Yeah, see my umbrella. I have a nice LED light umbrella, and I don't get enough sun to get it charged daily, so the lights won't work. It's sad, but I do love my shaded backyard. At least we have cover, right? I gotta spray my ankles. Oh, shoot, there was water in the top of that. Sorry, Sky, I gotta spray. My little ankles are getting chewed up. I don't know if they're little, but my ankles are getting chewed up. Where is the button? There you are. Girls. Thank you, Holly. Thank you. Girls, that is enough. Look, Lindsay's coming to get y'all. Come on. Come on. Lindsay said so. Come on. Lindsay, take these dogs. No, take Sky then. Make Sky come in. Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Okay, Sky, come in. You can throw her right back out. Come on, let's go. You stay. Oh, the mud on my floor, y'all. Oh, the mud on my floor. Thank you for the follow and the shares. I appreciate it. Lady, the mud on my floor. There's nobody out here to agitate. She wears my ass out, y'all. She wears me out. I love her to pieces, but she's such a jackass. And she knows it, too. She knows it. Oh, I got to get the video. I'm having a hard time downloading my lives. There was a squirrel in that house today poking out through the rain. It was so cute. It was hiding in there with the rainstorm. Oh, she's all the time. What else can I get into? Thank you so much. I hope so. I hope y'all enjoy it. And if I talk too much, please tell me. I don't mean to. If there's something you want to see, let me know. There's a lot of details. I do videos of the details so you can, look at them, freeze it and look at it. We got good vibes. I have a neon sign inside that says good vibes. Thank you, KK. Thank you. I'm sure my regulars are tired of seeing the same thing all the time. But it's what we do here. That thing has been on the tree for over, when we first got the house, first couple of years we got the house, that thing's been on the tree over 20 years. I do too. Isn't it cool? And then I made the windows out of Sculpey clay. Yes, I do. I'm so sorry. I do. I'm trying to catch all of it. I thank you so much for helping me, guys. Thank you. I do. I have some detailed videos. Yeah. She is still on there, Lee. She just pops in and out. Yeah, she's not there all the time. But there's a new one on tonight. I don't watch it with commercials. I wait and I record it. Oh, thank you, Susie. Thank you, guys. Now, this area, I would love to build back up like I've had it prior, but we have a German Shepherd now, so I can't. And that's how that goes. You lose a lot of things when you have a German Shepherd. Y'all let me know if the Wi-Fi starts flashing, okay? I don't know. She might. You know, and once she leaves, the show's kind of over. Thank you so much, Susie. They ruin everything, don't they? It's like, girl, you ruin everything. See, it goes that way. That's a little fence around our calla lilies because our dogs ruin everything. And then, don't you go over there and bark, Zelda. She's going to. Like I even think she's going to listen to me. Okay, these are our fairy lights that I just got. These are on my TikTok shop. This is all one set. Hey, Heather. All one set. All the way down to each side. Is it? Well, good, good. And remember I told you I was going to bring stuff over here. I mean, I was really bummed when McDreamy died anyway, and McSteamy. So, you know. Oh, nice, Heather. Nice. Yes, we do. I had to spray with off just now. Yes, I definitely did. Zelda? I put things down in here, but they're kind of hard to see. You can see a little fairy. And there's a little dinosaur. Now, I'm not as hooked as I was on those.